Okay, so Maqualla here is going to attempt to eat one of the 11 wings from the wing coop. Already have the parental permission, correct? You know what can happen. You know you have a possibility of going to the hospital. Spicy food can cause open ulcers. Okay. Okay, go ahead and eat one. They taste good. Remember, just don't rub your eyes. There's napkins if you need them. And eat it as fast as you can here, so you don't drop it back in. Get over this. Seriously, just dig into it. The faster you eat it, the faster it's over. Put it down! Milk's not smart, I'm just saying. What are you doing? You know, as soon as that gone, it's gonna burn like fuck, right? You're just letting it stay in your mouth. You should make Kelsey try it when she comes down here. You couldn't even swallow it. Don't choke. You okay? You want to try to eat the rest of the wings? You only took a nibble off it. It's almost gone. Milk's almost gone.
We have more milk.
It's gonna hurt that whole time you're pouring it. You okay? Well, what? Still hot?
No.
No.
Ow. Ow.
Let's put them back in the fridge. You gotta put the milk away. Huh?
Is that all you bought was hot wings?
What do you mean?
Is that all you bought was hot wings?
Yeah. Why?
Just asking.
Put these in the fridge so they stay good. Don't drink so much milk, you're gonna puke.
I can never drink too much milk.
Try not drinking milk. Like, seriously, like, boil some water. Like, put some water in. Seriously, hot helps. Can't have a milk mustache.
I know. Why don't you do that? 'Cause I can't move.
Do what? You said no. You want me to get some water for you?
Maybe.
Yes or no?
Thank you. That hot. No, Mom, it was cold. Ow!
I told you it hurts. It doesn't just burn. Michaela. Would you recommend eating those to anyone? Should we have your brother try one day? You're your bitch. Like, yeah, I want him to hurt. Okay, it's not boiling hot. You should be able to handle it. Here. Seriously. It helps better than milk, I promise. It helps better than milk. It helps better than milk, I promise. Because the hot world is off oil. Oh my god. You want to try eating a wing now?
No. I have a question. What? How often are you going to press down when he asks you to try something?
No, I told her, and she watched the dude at my work do it too, and she still wanted to eat a wing. I was like, just try the sauce. She goes, no, I want to eat a wing. And I had two guys there try just the sauce, and they're like, oh my gosh, this is insanely hot. And it wasn't even a drop, it was literally a tip of a toothpick.
How much did she actually like that?
Like a nibble. Like barely like.
Just spit down on it?
Like, pretty much, yeah. She didn't even swallow it, she spit it out. You're lucky you didn't swallow it, because you'd be able to feel it, like, go down your entire body. Is that a bug bite or something?
I don't know.
Does it itch? Huh? Is the water helping? You want to make Mitch try it now? You're so mean. At least I warned people about how badly it's gonna hurt. Now do you believe that I wasn't exaggerating? Well, no, the whole time, like we were getting them, and I was telling her how hot they were. Like she saw that, and I even asked her, I was like, "Do you think I'm exaggerating or something?" She goes, "Yeah." And then
All you have to do is say, huh?
the girl at the wing coop, the one that sold it to me, and I was like, "Oh," I was like, "Can I get some lemon sauce?" She goes, "You want the sauce?" I was like, "Yeah." And then she goes, "Okay, I'll be 50 cents." I was like, "Well, I want wings with it." She goes, "Like, in it?" I was like, "Yeah." She was like, "You're crazy." Like, seriously, she was looking at me like I was stupid. You okay? Well, it's been going for like 11 minutes and 15 seconds, so I'll stop it now and then we'll see how you're doing later. What time is it right now? It's 9:45.